In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Metallica's Nothing Else Matters. This is one of their top 10 greatest hits. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing he's doing, he has his pinky on the 15th fret of the B string. Then he bends a whole step on the 14th fret on the G string. So it sounds like this. Does this twice. Bend it up twice. Release it onto the 12 on the G with vibrato. So then he hits the 14th on the G string, then the 12 on the G, then he slides down to the 11, then hammer on pull off from the 12th to the 11th on the G, then 14th on the D, back to the 11th on the G, then the 12 on the D, and slides up from the 12th to the 14th on the D string. So slowly. One more time. If you get value out of this lesson, make sure to like and subscribe. Then what he does 12, 14, 12 on the G string. Then he bends on the 14th fret. Then the 12 on the B and 12 on the E. And he does that twice. Then he pulls off from the 15th to the 12 on the B string. Up to that point. One more time. Then he plays 15, 14 on the G string and then 15, 14, 12. Then he does double stops, which is the 14 on the G and 14 on the B at the same time. He does that twice. Once and then chromatically down. 14, 13 to 12. So it sounds like this. One more time. If you're enjoying this content, I'll put another video up here. You could check out that video next. Okay, then he slides up to the 15th fret on the high E string, then 14, then 12 on the B string. So it sounds like this. And then 15, 14 on the high E again. Then he slides from the 15th to the 17th on the high E. Then what he does, plays a 15 again on the high E, hammer onto the 15 and then pull off to the 14. And then to the 12 on the B. That little phrase sounds like this. Then he does 15, 14 one more time to the 12 on the B. Together, it sounds like this, slowly. Then what he does, 12, 14, 12 again, like he did earlier. And then that oblique bend again. Release it to the 12, then to the 14. Back to the 12 on the G string. And then whole step on the 14th fret on the G string, and then 12th fret on the B and the E. Back up to the 12th fret on the B. Then do a whole step bend on the 15th fret, release it, pull off, and then bend back up again on the 15th fret. So he pulls off from the 15 to the 12 twice. So it sounds like this. Then slide to the 7th on the B. Hammer on pull off from the 5 to the 7. Back to the 5. Play the 7th fret on the B again. Then the 8th fret on the B. And then the 5th fret. Then play the 7 again. Then the 8th fret again. Then the 3rd fret this time. Then go up to the 7th fret again. 8th fret. And then slide up to the 12th fret. I'll put that all together slowly now. So if you like this kind of content, I'll leave another video for you that you could watch, and I'll see you in the next one.